Hello everyone, in my today's video I'll be talking about what are macros and why it is important to be getting enough of each. So I'll be covering about the overview of the macros in this video. I'll be talking about the detailed version in my upcoming videos. And so let's start with what are macros. So macros are the short form of macronutrients. Macronutrients are the substances that our body needs in a larger quantity. So we have got proteins, carbs and fats are the macronutrients. So each macronutrient has its own function and it is very important to run our body smoothly. So every macro has its own energy value linked to it. For example, protein has 4 calories per gram, carbs has 4 calories per gram and fats has 9 calories per gram. So that sums up pretty much of the calories that we consume in our day. Apart from that, alcohol has also caloric value, which is like 7 calories per gram, which is very important to remember if you are an occasional drinker. Let's talk about proteins. Protein has many important functions, especially when it comes to losing weight and working out. It is very vital to be getting enough of proteins. How protein helps? Protein helps actually in your growth and development of your body tissues. Also, it helps to repair any damage and building up your new muscles. So a good target of daily protein intake in your body is 1 gram per kg of your body weight. This will ensure you constantly that you are having a proper balanced protein in your diet and will help you develop your muscles. Another thing is, if you are in a calorie deficit program, which is what you need when you are trying to lose your weight, so protein will help you keeping you full for longer time. And another thing is, it reduces the development of your hunger hormones, that's ghrelin. If you feel full after having proteins, it's good that you won't eat extra. That automatically stop your extra eating habits. Another benefit is digesting protein always help in burning way more calories as compared to the carbs and fats. So the recent studies has shown that 30% of the protein calories get easily burnt when you just digest your proteins. So that's amazing to know. And don't worry about protein intake. The studies has shown that 1 gram per kg of body weight is absolutely fine to take on a daily basis if you have a healthy kidneys. So that's important. Next comes the carbs. Carbs generally has a very bad repo, and most of the people think that the major reason of getting or gaining weight is the carbs. So I would say the carb is very broad term, and but all the carbs are not responsible for gaining your weight. So we have sugar, starch and fiber from a weight loss point of view, because we are trying to keep our calories low because we are in a weight loss program. And another thing that we have to be careful is we need to be careful about is that we need to have a good return value from every calorie that we consume. So starch and fibers plays a very important role, and the major chunk of energy that we spend in a day comes from these carbs only, and eliminating them from your diet is not a sustainable idea. Sugar gives us a minimum amount of energy in return of the calories that we get out of it, so we should take care while consuming the sugar. But yes, once in a while I do treat myself and it doesn't give much harm. So last thing is the fats. One thing is very clear and straight, and to remember that eating fat does not necessarily means that you will gain fat. It has nothing to do with it. We do eat less volume of fats because the calories that we get from the fats are way more than the calories we get from the proteins and carbs. So fats are vital in regulating hormonal level and helps in transporting our nutrients and vitamins in different parts of our body. There are 4 major types of fats, and these are saturated fats, monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats and trans fats. So one thing that you have to be very careful about is always try to limit your saturated fats and trans fats. Take more of mono unsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in your diet. So to sum up, when you have a good calorie target, I would definitely recommend to follow these macros, and that's like consuming 1 gram of protein per kg of your body weight and splitting the carbs and fats. Another thing is to have around 25 grams of fiber in your diet. Of course, you won't be perfect in every aspect in your daily meals, but then if you are into the guidelines, or if you are into between your set limits, then I'm sure as long as you are in your calorie deficit program, you would definitely lose your weight. And in case any one of you wants to understand or needs my help in calculating the macros for you, don't forget to DM me. I'll be there to help you out. Hope you enjoyed this video and got some value. Take care.